channel and YouTube diaries. Today I'm sitting here to talk to you about coffee. Now, hold all your questions. Let me explain first. So yesterday, me, my family, and some of my family friends went out for coffee after lunch. We went to Starbucks and then my dad asked everybody, "What type of coffee do you want?" Somebody said, "I want a latte." Somebody said, "I want an Americano." Another person said, I want a Frappuccino." Somebody said, "I want a Macchiato." Somebody said, "I want a Mocha." And then I was completely bamboozled. I mean, it's just coffee at the end of the day, isn't it? Like, what's the difference? So then after that, I came home and I did all my research. And then that's when I found out that there was in fact major differences. So then I thought, all of this information put together was definitely worth making a video just for you. So now when you order at Pacific Coffee, or even if you go to Starbucks, Cafe Coffee Day, then now you can order your coffee with confidence, pun not intended. But anyways, also don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share with your friends. Also, watch my other videos. Trust me, they are so interesting. You know how there's so many types of coffees? Well, today I'm going to be focusing on 8 of the most popular coffees, and these 8 should be available every cafe you go. Let's start with the basics. The espresso is the base of all types of coffee. And actually, espresso is a fully flavored, highly concentrated form of coffee. Did you know that espresso is actually a method of making coffee which originated in Italy? To make an espresso, you need one of those big espresso machines that you see in all coffee shops. And also you need nearly boiled water forced through coffee grounds using the espresso machine. And to serve it, you just need a single shot of espresso in a cup, nothing else added. Because of the brewery process, the espresso is highly concentrated, which causes it to become a little bit bitter. And that's why not many people really prefer drinking espressos, but you might as well try it because if you're adventurous, then you might as well like it. Next, let me introduce you the Americano. Americano is a type of coffee which is loved by all coffee lovers as it holds no milk, and I suppose everybody loves coffee in its truest form, right? And it is made by diluting espresso with hot water. And also it's like traditionally brewing coffee method, right? But as I explained previously, the espresso brewing method is different, so hence the Americano holds a different flavor. To make an Americano, you need to first pour hot water in a cup, fill 2/3 of the cup with the hot water, add a shot of espresso on top, and voila, your delicious Americano is ready. The cappuccino is made by putting 1 shot of espresso in a cup and then adding steamed milk and milk foam in an equal measurement. Did you know that in the UK, the cappuccino is the most popular type of coffee? And also in Italy, a cappuccino is basically like a breakfast drink, so it isn't usually ordered after 12 p.m. But don't worry, don't panic, you'll still get your brew even after 12 p.m. And the reason people love cappuccino is because of its creamy taste and the effect that the milk foam creates when the espresso passes through it. Sounds like heaven. To make a cappuccino, you need to extract 1 shot of espresso into a cup, and then you need to pour steamed milk inside and top it off with 3 centimeters of milk foam. Feel free to add chocolate shavings, or you can add cinnamon on top. Now let me tell you all about the second most popular type of coffee, latte. The latte in Italian means milk, but in Italy, the beverage means milk coffee. But actually, the latte has a lot more to just than pouring milk over coffee. You know, the latte is very similar to a cappuccino, except the ratio of the espresso, the steamed milk, and the milk foam is so very different. To make your perfect latte, all you need to do is just extract 1 shot of a espresso into a cup, then pour steamed milk over it, and it should have the minimal amount of foam on top, unlike the cappuccino, which has 3 centimeters of foam on top. Now this is my favorite drink, the mocha. A mocha is a cross between a cappuccino and a hot chocolate. Now you see why I like it? And also, if you have a sweet tooth like me, then this is your best bet. The mocha contains a shot of espresso with hot chocolate on top, then to top it off, steamed milk and milk foam. The idea behind a mocha is to have an extraordinarily extravagant drink because you should get the taste of that silky smooth hot chocolate when it combines with the sweetness of the milk, and then when it hits that espresso and the bitterness of it, then you have the perfect, most indulgent drink. Now to make a mocha, you need to extract 1 shot of espresso into a cup, add 1 spoon of hot chocolate powder, mix it, and then top it off with steamed milk and 3 centimeters of milk foam. Next up, flat whites. Flat whites are more popular in Australia and New Zealand. To make your perfect flat white, just take an extract of 1 espresso shot, put it in a cup, then add your steamed milk on top of it. No toppings, no milk foam. The last one on my list to introduce to you is the macchiato. Did you know that macchiato is just actually an espresso with a dollop of milk on it, milk foam on it? In Italian, the macchiato means spotted. Spotted, get it? And then to make your macchiato, well, I think you already know. All you need to do is just add 1 shot of espresso in a cup, and then also just add a dollop of milk foam on it. And there you have it. I hope now you can finally tell the difference between all these confusing coffees, and I hope that I explained it well as well. And also, because I did all my research for you, I'm just asking you to do a little something for me. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share with your friends. And also, if you want to see a little bonus, then stay till the end of the video. Also, I'm telling my dad that I want a mocha because I did so much of talking. But anyways, till then, signing off, and YouTube Diaries. Ciao, I'm gonna get my mocha. So now I'm waiting for my delicious coffee.